Today we're sharing 3 parent-approved toys that inspire learning, creativity, and happy playtime. More toy and book recommendations are coming soon on Little Hearts Haven. Number 1. Talking Flashcards. These talking flashcards are perfect for toddlers aged 2 to 4. They help little ones practice new words, build speech skills, and have fun learning, all without screens. With 510 sight words across 31 fun themes, these flashcards make learning new words exciting and easy for little learners, with options for English or English-Spanish. Kids can use them anywhere, at home, in the car, outdoors, or in the classroom. This multi-sensory learning toy makes play interactive, expands vocabulary, and encourages early speech development. The cards come with simple features that make learning easy: an on/off switch, a repeat button to replay words, adjustable volume with 5 levels, and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 5 hours. Number 2. The TEKFUN 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet. This tablet is a mess-free doodle board that lets kids aged 3 to 10 explore their creativity anywhere, anytime. Kids can immerse themselves in a wonderful world of color, sketching, erasing, and drawing, over and over again, without paper mess or painted walls. Designed for kids 3 years and up, the tablet can be used over 100,000 times. It's perfect for long car rides, quiet play, and imaginative doodle adventures anywhere your child goes. Number 3. Aotipol Building Blocks. This set comes with 101 pieces plus a baseplate, perfect for children aged 3 and up. The blocks are the perfect size for little hands, and let children build, stack, and explore. They're also universally compatible, so the baseplate and bricks work with all major brands, giving even more ways to create. The blocks are lightweight and portable. They are great to play with at home, in the car, or on long trips. Perfect for keeping kids engaged without screens. Parents love this set because it encourages imagination, builds focus and fine motor skills, and helps children learn colors and shapes. It also makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. If you'd like to bring these fun and educational toys home, check the links to all 3 in the description. They're all parent-approved and perfect for hours of creative, hands-on play. More toy and book recommendations are coming soon, so watch out for them.